talk about conditional formatting, guys. So what is called conditional formatting? Let's say we have product. I write P1 and I drag this down. And I say the sales happen random between 100 to 900 multiplied with 100. I have these values. I say Control C, do paste special and the values here. Now tell me guys one thing. This is what the data is given. Business says that, hey, could you please highlight the value where my sales is less than 50,000? What should I do in this case? I select this data. I go to home. I go to conditional formatting. I make it here saying that if the sales is less than 50,000, I can put it to 55,000. Then it is going to highlight that. Can you see this, guys?
Yes, sir.
It's an equal sign. Get the value from this cell. After selecting this value, you go to conditional formatting, saying that if the cell is less than, let's say 60,000, or let's say 55,000, I can choose it here, custom format, make the field as red color, font as gold and white color. Got it, guys?
Yes.
I can also select this cell value. I can say if the value is greater than 55,000. If it is greater than 55,000, make it to custom format, fill background as red color, font as gold and white. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
I can also do the things like this, where in this column, I can create a new rule. I say cell contains less than 55,000. Format this cell, red background, font as gold and white. It's happened. Over the same cell, I go for manage rules. In this manage rules, I add a new rule. Format cell, only cell that contains greater than equal to 55,000. It is greater than equal to 55,000. Make the format background as green color, font as gold and white color. Did you see this, guys? Both the conditions are on one.
Yes.
Did you get it, guys? Now, if you say equal sign, get the value from here. Selecting this all, try to create a bar like this. The bar indicates how the sales has happened for each product. Selecting this all, you can go to conditional formatting, make it as a manage rule. Say this rule, you edit it. And in this, say show bar only. It's not going to show the value, only bars are coming. If you make any changes to the values here, let's say it is 20,000, the bar will go down. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If the value got changed here to 90,000, is going to all green. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right, guys? So this is how we go for conditional formatting. Okay. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the product wise sales is given. 100 to 900. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Control space spatial values. Now there is a target is given. Target is for selling 900 units. Or target is for 800 units to sell out. Are you getting this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
What the target is given? 800.
800.
Now tell me how many companies, how many products are there? Those who have exceeded 800. How will you do that?
If if
Conditional.
formatting.
So
Conditional
I
formatting.
here. So how many of them has been achieved that target? I will say this over this. As per the condition I give it here, if new rule, the cell that contains greater than
Greater than 1.
1, you must say as what? Green.
Sir, it should be greater than and equal to 1, sir.
That's okay. We can go for greater than or we can go for greater than equal to. So how many products are there? Those who have achieved the target, tell me, guys.
Only one.
One.
Can you see how to easily indicate that?
Yes.
Imagine if it is 900, what will happen? Imagine it is 860. You see this?
Yes, sir.
This is how, guys, we do for conditional formatting. Now, we have a cell value which is saying work in progress. Another one is called completed, yet to start. Are you getting this, guys?
Yes.
These are what? These are the work status. What do you call this as? Work
Work
status.
status.
What I'll do here, I select this. I say SAS. I say SQL. I say Python. I say machine learning. Over this, I select this cell. I go to data. I choose something is here called validation. Under data validation, I select a list value. The list is nothing. So I decided that selecting this cell, I will say the conditional format is going to say that use a formula that determine the cell value. Or you can say if this cell value is equal to what? Work in progress. How will you choose that? Yellow color and the font is bold. That's it. Now over this, you add another condition, say manage rules. Over this, you add another new rule. Same. If it is equal to completed, go for making this as green color. Font is bold and white color. Over this, you add one more rule. If it is equal to yet to start, should be reading this as what? Red color, font is bold and white. If you select here, work in progress, it is yellow color. Completed, green color. And Go and select this completed. You go and select this work in progress. You go and select, let's say, completed. Can you see this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we need to know about conditional formatting. What I did, you got to practice that at home and come and do this here.